Good morning, everybody. It's Alex. Hi, with Master Odor Removal. We're in this beautiful condo in Palm Beach, servicing it for level 5 Curry. Unfortunately, the owner does, or the renter does not want us to service the entire unit because they don't have the funds. And to be honest with you, it's not that strong in here, although it's a level 2 in here. But she just can't do it right now. They just can't do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to mitigate it as best as possible. They know because of the ceiling fans that are in every room, the blinds, the curtains, the drapes, whatever, and all this furniture that there's just no way to guarantee it because it's Curry and it's just everywhere. But just a lovely rental here in Palm Beach. And so what we're going to do is we're going to focus in the kitchen and this dining room area, nook, and then the living room. We'll service the walls, the ceiling, the floors, the grout floors in here. You can see, but here you can see the cooking oils on the stove. I actually put some chemical here already. It already dissolved them. There was a bunch of cooking oils. I don't know if you can see them here. There they are. There's a big one. So we've treated that. Wow, that worked really quick because we just started back here. And then that's really basically it. Oh, and then we're going to go ahead and service. And I wish I had the filter here still, but you took it. It was totally gross. We're going to go ahead and service the coils here on the AC to make it smell as best as possible as well. Again, a mitigation, not a removal. And that's really basically it. Cooking odors, pet odors, food odors. Smoke, tobacco, marijuana, cigar, whatever it might be, give us a call. We look forward to earning your business as well. Thanks for viewing.